with Facedrip. Record with webcam or screen record, upload from the desktop, record from third-party apps, or import videos directly from YouTube. Replace boring plain text and email messages with personalized video messages and DAMP. Add interactive elements and DAMP. Call to action buttons. Run video email or video SMS campaigns to increase your open rates and click-through rates by over 300%. Make viewers take action with relevant call to action such as schedule a demo button, visit website button, etc. Add public booking links and DAMP. Manage your scheduling with Calendly, Killifime, Book Like a Boss, etc. from right inside your videos. State-of-the-art transcoding and coding video technology to ensure buffer-free viewing experience. Built-in futuristic page builder creates high-converting video sales pages. Create and DAMP. Access separate workspaces for different clients. Free video hosting. Plus 100% newbie-friendly. Examples of interactive videos. Created with Facedrip. Commercial license included only. When you act now, click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Take a look at some of the high-in-demand services you can offer for big bucks. Video emails, marketing services, video SMS, marketing services, omni-channel, marketing services, interactive video creation services, interactive video marketing services, video automation and workflow services, screen recording services, lead conversion and lead nurturing services, video interaction and video engagement services, deep contact level tracking data services, booking services, lead generation services, video communication services, data-driven lead analytics services, web design services, video translation services, video transcription services, text-to-speech services, email marketing services, SMS marketing services, sales automation services, video hosting services, lead scoring and management services, traffic generation services, video testimonial services, deals management services, business enhancement and management services. Commercial license included only. When you act now, click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official Create stunning interactive videos for your business and DAMP your clients in 3 easy steps. Step number 1: create, upload video, or import from YouTube. Step number 2: customize. Step number 31: click embed and DAMP. Send. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Are you tired of your videos not converting and DAMP not bringing in any traffic, leads and DAMP sales? Say goodbye to passive viewership, high number of views, but low quality lead generation. Boring videos, viewers skip watching bland videos sooner, causing YouTube and other platforms to rank it lower. Low conversions. Conversions are low because there is no call to action or the CTA is hidden. Fewer profits. A lot of money is spent on making videos, landing pages, thank you pages, etc., which adds to costs and leads to loss of profits. Start getting a tsunami of viewers, leads and DAMP sales. Say hello to high-quality leads. Boost your conversions with active viewership to generate qualified leads. Immersive videos. Help your videos rank better, resulting in more organic traffic by engaging your viewers, making them watch your videos for longer periods of time. Increase sales. Customers on the fence will also buy or act instantly because of the call to action feature right inside the video. Higher profits. The video itself is turned into a landing page or registration page, which saves time and work. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast, 2 to 4 weeks maximum.